Yay, you're here. And I'm so happy because I've got something beautiful to teach you. For 35 years, I've been hooking rugs one stitch at a time. There's only one simple stitch, and that is all you need to learn how to hook rugs. Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio is a place that values creativity. It values the creativity that we know is innately in you and innately in me. It's something that we all carry with us. Come, I'm going to show you how. You're just going to take your strip of wool, you bring your end up, and then you put your hook down. Your two hands are working together, and you bring it up loop by loop, one stitch at a time. And with this one stitch, you can do such amazing rugs. I want to say you can do anything, but you can do anything you want when it comes to hooking rugs once you know this one stitch. So here's the thing. Rug hooking is something that builds community, it builds creative ability, it builds, we've seen people develop friendships through our communities. It builds a love of working with your hands. And when we work with our hands and we take the time out for ourselves to create and make, we take time for ourselves, we step back and we really think about what's going on with us, with our communities, with our families, and what we need. It's a meditative craft that just enriches us. And I'm just so happy you're here because I feel like you're going to get to share in this. You are going to get like a little chance now to become a rug hooker. And when you become a rug hooker, you never know what happens. You just don't know the magic that's in you. You can share these rugs with other people. You can teach other people once you know, because it's only one stitch. So welcome to Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio, our community, our rug hooking club, or the Rug Hookers Club. I'm really glad, and I hope to see you more around our website, on our Wild with Wolf Facebook page, on many of our online courses, and in our inspiration sessions. We have so many wonderful things to offer you, and you're just about to begin, and it's a great beginning. So thanks for being here with me, and welcome to the Rug Hookers Club and hookingrugs.com. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick, and we're happy you're here. I'm happy you're here.